everyone, this is Maria and I have another fun haul from Target from the dollar bins. Everything in this video is made of felt. These are felt toys for children. They're educational toys and they are just adorable, you guys. So there is going to be an unboxing towards the end of my video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this puppet set. This is a finger puppet set with carrying case, and you can see the carrying case is a little castle, and the little puppets are storybook characters. And on the back of the package, it reads, "Be creative, develop imaginative thinking, and find motor skills while creating your own fantasy adventure with felt puppets. Create a fun story with the play scene provided. When you're finished, place your puppets in the pocket for easy storage." And so these are just so cute, you guys. They had several different sets, and I believe I purchased 3 different sets. And here's the second one. You can see that the little carrying case is a spaceship, just so cute. And here's a red barn with all of the barnyard animals. So the next 4 I'm going to share with you are felt play sets. This one is a felt beauty kit. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I just love this so much, you guys. I actually went back and I found another one at a different Target. So if you can't find these at one Target, check other Targets, because I think I went to 4 different Targets, you guys. But this is so cute. It's got the powder compact, it's got a lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow, and it's got some little blush here. It's got a powder puff, and it's got the little makeup bag. It's so cute, you guys. And this one here is a felt mail kit. It includes 3 envelopes, 3 letters, and 1 mail bag. And then we have a felt tool kit. Look at this, just way too cute. It has 1 saw, 1 hammer, 1 drill, 1 wrench, 1 screwdriver, and 1 bag. And kids will really love this medical role play kit. It includes a thermometer, a stethoscope, an otoscope, 2 bandages, a reflex hammer, and 1 carry case. The next 3 items I'm going to show you are felt food, and I just love these felt food kits. And so the first one I'm going to show you is the strawberry pie. It's just super adorable. It's educational. Kids can learn how to count with the strawberries, and also it's fun for play in a kitchen set. And here is a felt cheeseburger, so kids can build their own cheeseburger. And a felt taco. It says here that all the ingredients to make a taco, there are 11 pieces. It says 1 taco shell, 1 meat, cheese, 3 peppers, 1 avocado, 1 onion, tomatoes, jalapenos, and 1 salsa. I just fell in love with this taco, you guys. I can hardly wait to open it up. Okay, so I'm going to open up this beauty kit first. It's one of my very favorites. In fact, I bought 2 of these. I just really love it. Again, I think these make great gifts for kids for any time of the year, even as a reward in school. And so, oh my gosh, this is just way too cute. And it's tied down, so I need to, let's see, on the back, there's some of these little things that you have to clip. Not too many of them though, you guys, just 2. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, here is the little bag. Oh, I love this. I love this. I didn't realize this, you guys. It's clear on one side, so you can see all of the things when you put them in the bag. Here's the powder compact. It is so cute. It has a little mirror. And here is the little powder puff. And I'm just going to put that right there. And I'm going to tuck this right inside. And then here is the blush. Look at the little heart cut out. And here is the eyeshadow compact. And then there's a lipstick and a lip gloss. And there it is all put together, you guys. It is so cute. I just love this. So, so cute. Okay, you guys, you know what I did? I didn't turn my camera on when I opened this, so I'm going to redo this right now. And so, gosh, I'm so sorry about that, but I do want to show you some things. When I opened this in the unboxing, you can see there's some glue here, and so it was glued together, and I really had to pull on that. But with one of these felt envelopes, the little Velcro thing fell off, you guys. It just pulled right off, and you can see the glue here, And so I am going to replace this with some of my Velcro from Joann's that has really good sticky stuff and it won't come undone. But you guys, this was only $3, so I still think it's a good deal. And then I have the little letters. There are 3 letters and they fit perfectly inside the envelope. Now here is the yellow envelope, and you can also see they all come with these little heart stamps. That's just way too cute. But I want to show you here, you can see how it's coming right off. And so I will be replacing this one also. Again, I love these little postcards because kids can write little letters on here if they want to. I also want to show you that all of these are stitched by a sewing machine. And so they look really, really nice. The only thing is, you guys, is this was sewn shut up here. And so I'm going to take my seam ripper and I'm going to pull the stitches out. And so the envelope will open up completely. And then you could take your envelopes and you could place them inside of your mail bag just like that. Now that's really cute. Also, you guys, all of them may not have these flaws that I just showed you. And so this particular one did. I do think it's still a really good deal. So the next one is the Felt Role Play Kit, the Doctor Kit. Okay, so in this one we have our medical bag, and there is no Velcro in this one, which I think is better, you guys. And so we have here a thermometer that we're going to put right in our bag. We have a stethoscope. Going to tuck that right in. And then we have an ostoscope. I think that's how you pronounce it, an ostoscope. Going to tuck that right inside. And we have 2 bandages. And we have a reflex hammer. So this is a really cute set too. So this is the felt tool kit. Okay, here's the little tool bag, like a toolbox. And then this one has Velcro. It looks like a Velcro strip. So let's see if it sticks on well. It looks like it is, you guys. This one sticks on really well. Here's the inside of the bag. So I really like that. Let's go ahead and rip that again, open. Although, you guys, I did notice this came off right here on the edge, so I'm just going to pull that right off. So I'm just going to snip that off. Okay, now it looks really good. So let's go ahead and put our tools in our tool bag. And so we have a saw. That's really cute. And we have a hammer. Really, really cute. Love it, you guys. And we have a drill. I love that too. A wrench. And a screwdriver. So all of the tools fit really nice inside of this little bag. All right, so it's time to go to work now. To save time, I went ahead and removed all of the puppet sets from their packages. So let's take a quick look at each one. So this is the barnyard puppet set. So you can see the barn doors open and close. And so this is the little bag, and there's a little pocket inside where you can put all of the puppets. And let's go ahead and remove those. You can see the little fence in there. It's so cute. And then here are the little puppets. There's a horse, there's a sheep, there's a pig, a cow, and a little chick. And this reminds me of a song that I used to sing when I was a kid, and I'm sure you know it too. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And when playtime is over, you can tuck the finger puppets right back into the barn and close the barn doors. Although what I noticed is that these little doors do not stay shut, but they are really cute, you guys. Still really, really cute. And here's the spaceship one with the astronauts, a robot, and 2 very friendly looking aliens. And here's the royal castle with a princess, a prince, a fairy godmother, a dragon, and of course, a magical unicorn. So there were a few more different puppet sets available, but these are the 3 that I chose to purchase. And so now for the felt food. Let's go ahead and open the cheeseburger. And so I already undid this part right here just to save some time. And so let's go ahead and open this up. So excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, Way too cute, you guys. Check out this bun. And so it looks like, what is this here? Maybe because you tie it all together, I'm not sure. So this took me a few minutes to figure out. There's this cord here, and on the box, it shows that the cord should come through the top of the bun, but the bun doesn't have a hole here, you guys, but it does have this. So we're gonna put it right through there. And so let me go ahead and just pull on that. And then we're going to go ahead and put our food right through this cord. And so I'm going to put the hamburger patty first. And then we're going to add the cheese. This is just way too cute. I love this felt food. It's one of my favorite things, you guys. And then we're going to add the lettuce. And we're going to add the onions, sweet onions. Love sweet onions. And I love tomatoes too. Doesn't that look really cute, you guys? And so now we're going to tie it to the top of the bun. And so I'm going to take one end of the cord. I don't know if this will be so easy for kids to do, you guys. What do you think? So this turned out really cute, but it did take me a little while to put together and then to tie it all together, you guys. And so definitely a small child will need help from an adult. Isn't this making you hungry, you guys? Here's our taco, and this was so easy to pull right out of the box. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, you guys, right off the bat, I love this because look at the Velcro is sewn on with this sewing machine. So this is not going to fall apart like the other ones did. I think it was the Playsets. And look at that, you guys, that is great. I love that. And so let's go ahead and remove everything and let's build our taco. Hey, look, you guys, this could be a tostada too. I just really love this already. So this has to be our ground beef, our meat that's going to go in the taco. I'll be using ground turkey. So the next thing I'm going to put on my taco are these peppers, some bell peppers, and then we're going to add some, let's put some onion, some tomatoes. How about let's spice things up with these jalapenos. Then let's add some cheese and some salsa. And then I love avocado, you guys. I have to have avocado. This looks so cute. Definitely one of my very favorites. And then let's just go ahead and wrap this up. Oh my gosh, this is just way too cute. I just totally love this. Definitely among my favorites. So now that we have our main course, a taco and a cheeseburger, I think it's time for some dessert. So let's have some strawberry pie. So I was going to try and avoid saying the word cute again, you guys, but I just can't help it. This is so, so cute. And so look at all of these stitches on here on top on the crust. And then look at this fluted edge, just super cute. And it's sewn, machine sewn all the way around. And so let's go ahead and lift the crust off and look at all of these strawberries. There are 6 in all. I just love these. I wanted to say on some of these sets, you'll see some loose threads at the end. You can just snip those off. These strawberries have a little bit of polyfill inside to make them a little puffy. Another thing I wanted to mention, I would go ahead and snip off these little tags on the little play sets. So now let's set the top of the crust down onto the pie. And there we go, you guys. I think that is so cute. I said it again, you guys. It is cute. So if you have watched this video to this point, I would like to say thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And to show my appreciation, I would like to have a hidden giveaway here. So there's going to be one lucky winner, and that winner will be able to choose one of these items, one of these 4 items, either the Felt Cheeseburger, the Felt Strawberry Pie, the Felt Taco, or the Felt Beauty Kit. This is open to US and international subscribers, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is be a subscriber to this channel and leave a comment below. Let me know which one of these items was your favorite. So this giveaway begins Monday, January 29th, 2018, and it will end on Wednesday, January 31st, 2018 at noon Pacific Standard Time. I will announce the winner sometime on Thursday, February 1st. So good luck, everyone. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. And I'll talk to you soon. And I hope you can still find some of these at your local Target too. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.